I'm Neeta Janwala from Vadodara, an Avon lady for the last 25 years. I have been into this Avon business and I am a proper businesswoman. Avon has now come up with Quest, has joined hands with Quest, and because of that, now we don't only have Avon products, but we also have a great portfolio of products to cater to many customers, and because of that, our business has also grown. Now we also have the Max Factor, we have the Bodis and the Body Shop products, which is an international brand which my son used to bring from UK and stand in a line from night because there used to be a sale of Body Shop only for one day in one whole year. Then we also have the Honestry. All the products are up to the mark, very nicely packaged and good brands. With Avon, I have earned many recognitions and rewards and big money coming to me monthly as commission basis, many domestic trips, many foreign trips, and a huge, big amount of a bonus check. I really wish to thank Avon for that. My morning starts with the shower gels. Of course, first I'll let you know my husband's favorite, the first cup, the coffee fragrance shower gel, and complementing is the body butter coffee, the first cup. I personally love the British Rose, which I use, and complement it with the yogurt, rose yogurt of Body Shop, or sometimes the Honestry, it's about to get over now, the rose bed of roses. Then we have the shampoos, of which we use the ginger shampoo and the ginger conditioner. It's a fantastic product, and to complement, I have the grapeseed serum to set my hair. Then the face care regime, of course, we have the toner, the serum. This is mine, the Platinum Uplift Serum, and this is my husband who uses the Protinol. Then the face creams, Platinum Uplift and Tightening, and I'm so very thankful to Avon for, I have not kept the bigger bottles, but I have brought in specially to show you the travel packages which I carry every time when I go, and I don't miss out on my regimes. We have the day cream, the night cream, and even the serum packed in such a small tube. So this is what is the beauty of Avon. And then the chapstick or the lip balm that we call the cherry is my favorite, and I also use the boldest black liner, the eyeliner, which I can never travel without or go without even in the house. And then to top it up, I have the fragrances. Now, Little Black Dress is a legend. It's been in Avon for so many years now and is still going the same way. We love it. And of course, it is complemented with the body lotion, so the fragrance stays all along. And then you also have the deo spray. Then we this is the new one, I Love You, which I really love it, and it's also complemented with its body lotion, and the fragrance lingers. I have a small tip to give you guys. When you wash your hair and it's still wet, and when you actually spray your EDT, you know, on the hair like this, when it's wet, the fragrance will linger all day long, and people will, like, you know, actually when you move or when you're just passing by also, the heads turn. So this is the beauty. And of course, everyday use, the foot care, and once in a week I scrub my face with this vitamin C scrubber, and then followed with the massage cream of Bodis and the silver mask. Avon also has a very small but beautiful CC cream, that is a color corrector cream. If you don't use anything, you can just use this. And actually, I put a little of the serum and then I apply it to my face, and the makeup is done. So, to give you a very nice, uneven tone of face with so many things. I don't know. And then, of course, the SPF 30 here for the face. Avon has really given us so many products that now we can reach out to more people and we can actually cater so many different customers and actually increase our earnings, which I have done. I am so thankful to Avon, and I wish that each one of you would really love to join me in this journey.